Hey guys, just want to do a video here. I got a new tank, pretty excited about it. It's a 150 gallon tank. It's a nice 6 foot long, got a built-in overflow on the side, and had it for a couple weeks getting it ready and prepped. About 2 feet tall and 18 inches depth. Came with a nice overflow, and I finished up all my plumbing. And so I'm doing my fill test right now, so hopefully everything goes well. But I also wanted to show this real quick out here. I got some sand and I'm prepping the sand. I just wanted to show this real quick because it makes it really convenient. I got this argonite sand. You know, when you first put sand in there, it gets all murky. So I'm just draining another tank here, but I've just filled this bucket up with the sand. You just kind of stir it around and let it overflow. And then all that white cloudiness goes away, and it helps a lot. There'll still be some, but this way you're not waiting like a week for your tank to clear up. So eventually this water, as you kind of saw when I came out, it'll go clear, and then you just kind of stir everything up again and it'll overflow into your lawn, and it's nice. So this is just me draining the water. You don't need big water pressure to do this. So just want to show that off, and yeah, I'll give some updates. Yeah, this is just some argonite sand because I'm going to do some African cichlids in there and go from there. So I'll give some more updates. Thanks for watching.